Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox account's password. To change your Roblox account's password, first of all, launch open the Roblox app or log into Roblox website on your computer or mobile device and log into your account first. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on More button at the bottom right. Inside the More menu, tap on Settings. Now under Settings, tap on Account Info, and inside Account Info, go ahead and tap the pencil button right next to Password. Now in the Password Change option, you'll need to enter your current password on Roblox in the first tab. After typing down your current password, enter your new password and then confirm your new password in the text box and finally tap on Update, and that should help you change your password on Roblox quickly and easily. Next time you log into Roblox with your username and password, you'll now need to enter your new password that you just changed to. So that is how you can easily change your login password on Roblox. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more Roblox contents like this. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye till then.